Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to automatically calculate employee attendance data on Google Sheets. So here I have this sample data including the names of the employee and then the attendance from the third week of October. So here is I'm going to just show you how you can automatically calculate the total attendance of each employee. So here what you guys can do is add a checkbox first. So you just need to block this part right here, and then after that go to insert and then find checkbox. You need to add the checkbox first and it will go like this, and you can just click if the employee is present or coming to the office. You can just click on this. If they not coming, you can just leave it blank like this. And after that, for the total, you can use the sum if function. So here sum count if, and then you can just click on sum and then a parenthesis, and here use count if and parenthesis again. And now for the range, you just need to block the cells right here, and then here just use comma and then criterion, just click on true, type in true and then close it and just click on enter. So now you can just fill in like this, and to uh, fill in the rest of the data you can just drag this, oops, like so. Okay guys, so that is from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.